The required things to make this LCD display are 16x2 LCD, Arduino Nano, breadboard, 1K resistor, 1K potentiometer and some wires. Now guys, here is our connection. This is our LCD panel, this is our potentiometer, and here is our Arduino UNO board. Let's take as Arduino Nano, and this is digital pin, analog pin and power, and here is our breadboard. This is negative rail and this is positive rail, and our resistor, connecting wires, etc. And this is our potentiometer. So first take the LCD first pin and connect it to the negative of the breadboard. Here top is the negative and the bottom is the positive. Connect the second pin of the LCD to the positive of the breadboard and connect the third pin of the LCD to the potentiometer ground, that is the middle of the potentiometer, and connect this positive to the positive rail and the negative to the negative rail, and take the fourth pin of the LCD pin to the Arduino Nano's D12 pin and take the fifth pin of the LCD to the negative rail and take the sixth pin and connect it to the D12 of the Arduino Nano and leave the 4 pins, and after that connect the pin of the LCD to the Arduino D5 and take another pin and connect it to the Arduino Nano D4 and another to D3 and another to D2. Then take a wire, connect it like this and connect a resistor to it, and next the negative, and take the power supply 5 volt and connect it to the positive rail of the breadboard, and take the ground of the digital and connect it to the negative of the breadboard. Now our connection is over. Here is our code, but before that go to tools and change the settings to board Arduino Nano, processor Atmega 328P, select the port and select the programmer as Arduino as ISP. Next go to sketch, click include library and click manage libraries. You can also click Ctrl plus Shift plus I, so it will come. So now click here, filter your search and type liquid crystal and click enter. Here it comes liquid crystal, so select the version and give install. So it will get installed. After installing the liquid crystal, you have to upload. Before that, I have to save a thing. You can change the speed of the scrolling text using the delay and string. Line 1 is the displaying. It will display only, it will not scroll, it will not do anything. So here you can type what you want, and string line 2 it will scroll. So you can write what you want. I wrote please subscribe, hit the bell button and give a thumbs up. So give upload. After it has uploaded, you have to wait for a few minutes till the LCD got the display of what you typed, and now I get done uploading.
With the power bank, and it came whatever I wrote that Vimeo EMS, and I wrote please subscribe, hit the bell button and give the thumbs up. And with the potentiometer you can increase and decrease the brightness. Here you can decrease and you can increase. And when it after it ends, you have to click again the reset button, so it will again come. Sometimes there may be a fault, so you have to again click and it will come correctly. So thank you for watching.